Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out some of the coolest and most useful tools that can make your everyday tasks easier. Whether you're into DIY projects, home repairs, or outdoor adventures. From high-tech gadgets to must-have hand tools, these picks are designed for efficiency, durability, and convenience. We'll be featuring innovative multi-tools, smart measuring devices, powerful cordless tools, and more to help you work smarter, not harder. Ready to upgrade your toolkit? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below.
Number 4 RYOBI Speed Bench Mobile Workstation. The RYOBI Speed Bench Mobile Workstation, STM202, is a versatile and durable tool designed to cater to both workshop and job site needs. This 2-in-1 workstation seamlessly transitions between a mobile cart and a solid workbench, making it a practical addition to any DIY enthusiast's or professional's toolkit. Effortless transformation. The Speed Bench Mobile Workstation transforms easily from a cart to a workbench with a single fluid motion. This quick setup feature allows for efficient workflow management and convenient storage, making it suitable for both on-site and workshop use. Durable work surface. In workbench mode, the workstation features a large 42-inch by 22-inch solid wood surface that supports up to 400 pounds. This work surface is designed with 4-sided edge clamping and includes convenient SA/metric measurement and protractor lines, making it ideal for precision tasks such as cutting and assembling. Heavy-duty cart function. When converted into cart mode, the workstation's sturdy steel frame and heavy-duty 19 skid plate enable it to carry up to 300 pounds. The 10-inch all-terrain wheels facilitate smooth transport over various surfaces, ensuring mobility across different work environments. Modular link accessory system. The workstation comes with 2 link accessory rails and 1 link double organizer bin. The link system allows for customizable storage and organization, integrating seamlessly with other link-compatible products and accessories. Dual workbench heights. The Speed Bench features dual workbench heights, providing flexibility to adapt to different project needs and user preferences. Tool-free detachable skid plate. The tool-free detachable skid plate enables easy storage under truck bed tonneau covers and in compact spaces, enhancing portability. The RYOBI Speed Bench Mobile Workstation excels in both versatility and functionality. The quick conversion between cart and workbench modes allows for easy add. Number 3 Wicked Edge W64 Cobalt Precision Knife Sharpener. The Wicked Edge W64 Cobalt Precision Knife Sharpener is a top-of-the-line sharpening system designed for those who demand precision and durability in their knife maintenance tools. Known for its superior craftsmanship and innovative design, this sharpener is perfect for both professional chefs and home cooks who take their knife care seriously. Dual cam vise. The standout feature of the W64 Cobalt is its dual cam vise, which offers effortless and highly efficient clamping. This innovative design ensures that your knives are securely held in place during sharpening, allowing for consistent and accurate results with minimal effort. Lightweight and compact. Weighing just 3.5 pounds, the W64 Cobalt is both lightweight and compact, making it easy to store at home or take with you on the go. Despite its small size, this sharpener doesn't compromise on performance, providing professional-grade results every time. Versatile mounting options. The sharpener can be securely attached to any hard, flat surface using the included C-clamp. For those who prefer a more permanent setup, the base also features pre-drilled holes, allowing it to be directly mounted to a work surface. Made in the USA, the W64 Cobalt is proudly made in the USA, ensuring high-quality materials and craftsmanship. This also means that it meets stringent manufacturing standards. Offering reliability and durability for long-term use, the Wicked Edge W64 Cobalt Precision Knife Sharpener is designed for ease of use without sacrificing the precision that professionals demand. The dual cam vise ensures that knives are securely clamped, eliminating movement during sharpening and resulting in a perfectly sharpened edge every time. Its compact and lightweight design makes it a versatile tool that can be used both at home and in professional kitchens. The sharpener is also user-friendly, with straightforward setup and operation. Whether you're sharp. Number 2 Skyscraper Roof Cleaning Package. The Skyscraper Roof Cleaning Package is a comprehensive and customizable solution for effective roof maintenance. Designed to tackle stubborn roof moss and debris, this package includes a variety of tools and accessories that cater to different roof tile profiles and cleaning heights. Whether you're a professional cleaner or a homeowner looking for a reliable roof cleaning system, the Skyscraper package offers the flexibility and efficiency you need. What's included in the package? Skyscraper blades. The package includes 11 different Skyscraper blades, each designed to suit a variety of roof tile profiles. This range of blades ensures that you have the right tool for any job. Whether you're dealing with flat tiles, rounded profiles, or more complex shapes, Skyscraper head. The Skyscraper head is a key component of this package, featuring an easy-to-use locking mechanism that allows you to quickly swap out blades. Available in both single and double head options, the head is fully adjustable and multi-directional, making it adaptable to various roof gradients, including angled dormer window roofs. Telescopic pole. The package includes a telescopic pole, available in 3 height options: 24 feet, 30 feet, and 34 feet. This customizable height feature allows you to reach different areas of the roof with ease. To adjust the pole, simply release the clamps, extend each section to the desired height, and secure it by tightening the clamps. Skyscraper brush and hybrid skysweeper brush. These brushes are designed to complement the blades, providing additional cleaning power to dislodge moss and debris from your roof tiles. The hybrid design of the skysweeper brush adds versatility, allowing it to be used with both the skyscraper blades and other cleaning tools. Skyscraper bag. To keep all your tools organized and easily accessible, the package includes a durable skyscraper bag, perfect for storing the blades, brushes, and other. Number 1. EZG Grip Hog Vacuum Lifter. The EZG Manufacturing Grip Hog Backpack Vacuum Lifter is a versatile and innovative tool designed to streamline lifting operations, particularly for more porous materials. This vacuum-powered lifting unit offers a range of features that cater to both solo and dual operator tasks, making it a practical solution for various material handling needs. The Grip Hog Vacuum Lifter comes in 2 main variants: Grip HOGPPV, priced at $1,995. This model is the premium version equipped with advanced features suitable for intensive use. Grip HOGPP2H, a more budget-friendly option at $445. This model includes the essential components for effective operation but lacks some of the advanced features of the PPV model. Standard T-handle. This enables single-person operation, making it an efficient tool for solo workers. Optional 2-man H-handle kit. Available with the Grip HOGPP2H model, this kit allows for dual operation, increasing versatility. Power source. The unit connects to any 15-amp 110V outlet or a proper generator, offering flexibility in various work environments.